If you need to reset two-factor authentication on OneDrive, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account sign-in page and enter your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your OneDrive. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Security section in your account settings. This is usually located in the top menu or under your profile options. Step 3. Access two-step verification. In the Security settings, look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification or Two-Factor Authentication. Click on this option to manage your current settings. Step 4. Disable two-step verification. Follow the prompts to disable two-step verification. You may need to verify your identity using your current authentication method, such as a code sent to your phone or email. Step 5. Re-enable two-step verification. After disabling it, you can re-enable two-step verification. Follow the setup process to choose your preferred authentication methods, such as an authenticator app or SMS codes. After completing these steps, your two-factor authentication will be reset, and you can set it up according to your preferences. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Microsoft support for further assistance.